Welcome to our series on philosophers. Today we delve into Diogenes of Apollonia, a pre-Socratic philosopher who believed that air is the fundamental substance of the universe. Diogenes posited that air, imbued with intelligence, governs the cosmos and infuses life and consciousness into all beings. His philosophy, rooted in natural principles, provides timeless wisdom and connects deeply with modern issues. Join us as we explore Diogenes' thought and discover how his ideas remain relevant to today's world. From environmental consciousness to the interconnectedness of life, Diogenes' legacy continues to inspire and educate. Diogenes of Apollonia believed that air, or ether, is the fundamental substance from which all things originate. He proposed that air is not merely an inert element, but an intelligent force governing the cosmos, infusing life and consciousness into all beings. Reflecting this profound perspective, Diogenes famously said, "All things happen according to the nature and necessity of air." His belief in a single, intelligent substance underscores a deep understanding of the unity and order inherent in the universe, akin to modern scientific concepts of a unified field. This notion of air as the rational principle of existence invokes a sense of awe and wonder at the grandeur of the cosmos, inviting us to consider the interconnectedness and intelligence of all that surrounds us. Diogenes' emphasis on air as a life-giving force resonates profoundly with modern environmental concerns. As we grapple with climate change and pollution, his philosophy reminds us of air's essential role in sustaining life. The idea that air is the source of all existence can inspire greater respect and responsibility towards our atmosphere and natural resources. Imagine if Diogenes had Twitter. He'd probably tweet, "Without air, there's no flair. Keep it clean, folks." By recognizing air's fundamental importance, we can better appreciate the interconnectedness of our environment and the need to protect it. This ancient wisdom finds new relevance today, encouraging us to adopt sustainable practices and promote environmental stewardship, ensuring a healthy planet for future generations. Diogenes of Apollonia proposed a fascinating idea that air is not just a simple, passive element, but a rational, intelligent substance. This aligns remarkably well with modern explorations of consciousness. In current studies, scientists investigate how our minds work, exploring cognitive science and neuroscience. Diogenes suggested that air itself carries intelligence, infusing life and consciousness into all beings. It's as if he envisioned a world where consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe, much like today's theories propose. His insights invite us to consider that, perhaps, our awareness and intelligence are deeply woven into the very fabric of existence. By recognizing this connection, we can foster a greater appreciation for the mysterious and intelligent forces that govern our reality. It's a profound thought, one that bridges ancient wisdom and contemporary science, reminding us that the quest to understand consciousness is timeless. Diogenes' belief in the interconnectedness of all things through air mirrors modern understandings of ecosystems and the interdependence of life forms. He saw air as the bond that links all living entities, creating a harmonious and purposeful existence. This holistic perspective encourages us to view our world as an integrated system where every element relies on the other. In our modern world, this philosophy can inspire collaborative efforts to tackle global challenges, emphasizing that our actions affect the whole. By recognizing this interconnectedness, we can cultivate a greater sense of unity and cooperation, essential for addressing the environmental and social issues we face today. Diogenes' ideas find common ground with philosophers from across the ages, such as Heraclitus, Spinoza, and Teilhard de Chardin. Heraclitus' concept of the logos mirrors Diogenes' intelligent air, both highlighting order and reason. Spinoza's belief in a single, infinite substance resonates with Diogenes' unified air. Teilhard de Chardin's omega point, where the universe evolves towards greater complexity and consciousness, aligns with Diogenes' notion of an intelligent force guiding the cosmos. These connections emphasize the timeless virtues of harmony, unity, and wisdom, demonstrating how Diogenes' ancient philosophy continues to offer valuable insights across the centuries. Diogenes of Apollonia's philosophy emphasizes the virtues of harmony, unity, and respect for nature. These timeless values transcend cultural and temporal boundaries, offering profound guidance for addressing global challenges today. By reflecting on the interconnectedness of all things, we foster a sense of balance and cooperation. Understanding the universe as a cohesive whole promotes solidarity and empathy among diverse communities. By valuing the natural elements that sustain life, we embrace sustainable practices and environmental stewardship. Diogenes' teachings remind us of our shared responsibility to respect and preserve the world around us, ensuring a balanced and sustainable future for generations to come. Embrace the virtues of harmony, unity, and respect for nature to ensure a balanced and sustainable world for future generations. By integrating these timeless values, inspired by Diogenes' philosophy, we contribute to a global community grounded in wisdom and compassion. Let us act responsibly to preserve our environment and uphold these principles, linking the wisdom of the past with the challenges of today, forging a better future for all.